Hi, my name is Clara, and I am the co-founder of Coro Foods along with my longtime friend Martinique. At Coro, we are known for making outstanding tasting salami that combines our award-winning unique flavors with the finest, clean, all-natural ingredients. Our name Coro is the Italian word for chorus, a celebration of the chorus of globally inspired flavors and the chorus of people that make our great food possible. All our salami is made end-to-end in our Washington-based facility using all natural ingredients and premium spices mixed by hand for every batch. Our pork is sourced from US-based family farms using antibiotic-free, hormone-free, humanely treated, and vegetarian-fed hogs. We use whole muscle cuts with no fillers or low-grade meat cuts added. All our salami is produced in small batches by a team with decades of experience using our exclusive and innovative fermentation process. Although our facility is state-of-the-art and rated an excellent by the Global Safe Quality Food Program, we continue to prepare our meats largely by hand. Our spices are freshly mixed for every batch, meats broken down and ground at a precise temperature, and each salami is stuffed and then hung to cure in high-precision rooms that ensure consistent quality and our marbled texture. At the end of our process, we use our state-of-the-art slicer and packaging line to slice and seal each package of sliced salami. Each slice pack is inspected for defects and seal breaks, ensuring they look amazing on the shelf and have a long shelf life. For our chubs, we hand peel and wrap each salami, providing the easy-to-eat and beautiful style our fans love. We never co-pack or outsource so that we can guarantee the high quality beloved by our fans, and all our products are shelf-stable so they can be displayed anywhere. When you come visit us, you will find us testing, tasting, and exploring new flavors. Our top-selling products include our now famous mole salami, inspired by the cocoa-based red mole sauce from Mexico, our cardamom and orange salami, and an Asian-inspired lemongrass salami. We also offer a flavorful twist on more traditional flavors with our pepperoni, classic salami, hot sopressata salami, and black pepper and fennel salami. We have won multiple Good Food Awards and continue to release new flavors, including sought-after limited-run flavors that change every year. Our salamis are now sold across the country, but we are especially proud of our long-standing friendship with Made in Washington. We partnered with Made in Washington when Coro first launched and are thrilled to continue to work with them to not only offer our products to more fans, but to also design charcuterie sets that celebrate all the delicious food made in our own backyard. Thank you, Made in Washington, for everything you do for the small food producers like us in our region.